यो हेरौं त वर्षा अथवा पानी पर्नु rain बाहिर पानी परिरहेको छ It's raining outside It's raining outside वर्षा भइरहेको छ भन्न पनि हुन्छ It's raining outside हावा wind चिसो हावा चलिरहेको छ Cold wind is blowing Cold wind is blowing यो हेरौं वर्षा ऋतु rainy season अथवा monsoon अहिले वर्षायाम हो It's the rainy season now अथवा It's monsoon now It's the rainy season now It's monsoon now सिमसिमे पानीलाई अंग्रेजीमा drizzle बिहानैदेखि सिमसिमे पानी परिरहेको छ It has been drizzling since morning It has been drizzling since morning अर्को पनि वाक्य हेरौं दिउँसोभर सिमसिमे पानी पर्यो A light drizzle fell all afternoon. अलि छिटो भन्दा A light drizzle fell all afternoon. A light drizzle fell all afternoon. अब यो हेरौं त मुसलधारे पानी पर्नु Rain cats and dogs. मुसलधारे पानी परिरहेको छ It is raining cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs. मुसलधारे पानीलाई torrential rain पनि भनिन्छ मुसलधारे पानीको आवाजले म बिउजिएँ I woke to the sound of torrential rain. I woke to the sound of torrential rain. राति मुसलधारे पानी परेको थियो During the night there was torrential rain. During the night there was torrential rain. तपाई हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube च्यानल आजको भिडियोमा हामी यसरी नै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण पानी पर्ने बारे मौसम बारे र अरु पनि सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण शब्दहरुको बारेमा अभ्यास गर्ने छौं नेपाली अर्थ वाक्य सहित मुसलधारे पानी पर्नुलाई अझै यो पनि भनिन्छ bucket down हामी भित्र छिर्ने बित्तिकै मुसलधारे पानी पर्न थाल्यो As soon as we were inside, the rain began to bucket down. As soon as we were inside, the rain began to bucket down. पानीले भरिएको ठाउँमा हिड्नु wade through म पानीमा भरिएको बाटोमा हिडे I waded along the flooded road. I waded along the flooded road. Flooded road भनेको पानीले भरिएको बाटो I waded along the flooded road. अब यो बाढी flood बाढीले धेरै घरहरू बगायो The flood swept away many homes. The flood swept away many homes. Swept away भनेको बगाएको The flood swept away many homes. खोलाहरूमा बाढी आएको छ. The rivers are flooded. The rivers are flooded. नित्रुक्क भिज्नु. Get drenched. म पानीमा नित्रुक्क भिजे. I got drenched. I got drenched. पानी पर्न कम हुँदैछ. The rain is beginning to ease off. The rain is beginning to ease off. बुझ्नुभयो नि, ease off को अर्थ पानी पर्न कम हुनु. The rain is beginning to ease off. वर्षाको पानी बगेर गइसक्यो. The rainwater has drained away. The rainwater has drained away. वर्षाको पानी rainwater. The rainwater has drained away. वर्षाको थोपा भन्न चाहिँ raindrop अथवा drop of rain. पानीको एक थोपा मेरो अनुहारमा खस्यो. A drop of rain fell on my face. A drop of rain fell on my face. गडेङगुडुङ अथवा मेघगर्जन thunder. बादल गर्जिरहेको छन्. Clouds are thundering. Clouds are thundering. आकाशमा मेघ गर्जन भइरहेको छ. It's thundering in the sky. It's thundering in the sky. अब बिजुली अथवा चट्याङ चाहिँ lightning. आज बादल गर्जिरहेको छ र बिजुली चम्किरहेको छ. There is thunder and lightning today. There is thunder and lightning today. त्यो ठूलो रुखलाई चट्याङले हिर्कायो. The big tree was struck by lightning. The big tree was struck by lightning. आकाशभरि बिजुली चम्कियो. Lightning flashed across the sky. Lightning flashed across the sky. Lightning flash भनेको बिजुली चम्किनु हो. Lightning flashed across the sky. तपाईं हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो English Guru YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, be sure to subscribe to it right away. यो च्यानललाई मात्र होइन, हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लास YouTube च्यानललाई पनि सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनु होला. दुईटै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको जुन घण्टी छ, त्यो घण्टीलाई बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. यस्तै अति नै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनको लागि. रोकिदै रोकिदै अथवा आउँदै जाँदै. On and off. दिनभरि रोकिदै रोकिदै पानी परिरह्यो. It rained on and off all day. It rained on and off all day. पानी तप तप चुहिनुलाई drip water. छतबाट तप तप गर्दै पानी चुहिरहेको छ. Water is dripping from the ceiling. Water is dripping from the ceiling. ceiling, छत. Water is dripping from the ceiling. आधी अथवा हावाहुरी, storm. आज हावाहुरी आउनेछ. There is going to be a storm today. There is going to be a storm today. बाहिर डरलाग्दो हावाहुरी चलिरहेको छ. There is a fierce storm outside. There is a fierce storm outside. रुख ढाल्यो रे. अब यसरी भन्न सकिन्छ, हाम्रो स्याउको रुख आँधीमा ढल्यो. Our apple tree fell down in the storm. Our apple tree fell down in the storm. अब यो बिजुली, गर्जन र आँधी एकैचोटी अथवा हुरी वर्षा, thunderstorm. आज हुरी वर्षा छ. There is thunderstorm today. There is thunderstorm today. हिलो अथवा हिलो माटो, mud. जमिनमा धेरै हिलो थियो. There was a lot of mud on the ground. There was a lot of mud on the ground. मेरो जुत्तामा हिलो टाँसियो. The mud clung to my shoes. The mud clung to my shoes. Be sure to like and share this video. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नछुटाउनु होला. यो हेरौं त, बाटोको खाल्डाखुल्डीलाई हामी pothole भन्छौं. यो सडकमा धेरै खाल्डाखुल्डी छन्. There are lots of potholes in this road. There are lots of potholes in this road. पानी भरिएको खाल्डाखुल्डी, puddle. मेरो मोटरसाइकल पानीले भरिएको खाल्डामा फस्यो. My motorcycle got stuck in the puddle. My motorcycle got stuck in the puddle. हिलोको पोखरी, muddy puddle. केटाकेटीहरू हिले पोखरीमा खेल्न मन पराउँछन्. Children like to play in muddy puddles. Children like to play in muddy puddles. Muddy puddle, है, muddy puddle. Children like to play in muddy puddles. पानी छ्याप्नु, splash. त्यो कारले हामीलाई पानी छ्याप्यो. The car splashed water at us. The car splashed water at us. इन्द्रेणी, rainbow. बालबालिका इन्द्रेणी हेर्न बाहिर दौडे. Children ran out to see the rainbow. Children ran out to see the rainbow. तपाईहरुलाई इन्द्रेणी हेर्न मन पर्छ? हो भने तल कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा लेखिदिनु होला. बरसाती, raincoat. मलाई यो नीलो रेनकोट मन पर्यो. I like this blue raincoat. I like this blue raincoat. छाता, umbrella. पानी परिरहेको छ, छाता लैजाऊ. It is raining. Take an umbrella. It is raining. Take an umbrella. बादल लागेको, cloudy. आज बादल लागेको छ. It's cloudy today. It's cloudy today. अब बादलले पुरै आकाश ढाकेको अथवा हामी जुन धुम्म भन्छौं नि त्यसलाई चाहिँ overcast. आज आकाश धुम्म छ. The sky is overcast today. The sky is overcast today. असिना पर्नु, hail. बाहिर असिना परिरहेको छ. It is hailing outside. It is hailing outside. असिना भन्न चाहिँ hailstone. कत्रो ठुलो ठुलो असिना. What big hailstones! What big hailstones! आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. Take care. Have a great day.